What is Bluey doing? Oh, he's setting up the fireworks. Fireworks? Why? It's Independence Day, Reckless. Independence Day? Oh my gosh, he doesn't know anything. Okay, how do we explain this? Independence Day is, a day where you do fireworks, and it represents America. I, I guess that works. Oh, cool. But why fireworks? To be honest, I have no idea. Huh. All right, we got all of that done. All right, Hato, would you mind lighting them up? Of course. Wait, what type of fireworks? Wait, if there were fireworks at the store, why the heck did Blue have to make them? Oh, it's because these fireworks are special. They're gonna tell the viewers out there, hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, about the videos that will be coming up this month. Yeah, so that people can actually be looking forward to it instead of being impatient. I see. Interesting concept. I like it. Why has no one else done this? Who knows? Alright, Hato, when you're ready. Alright. Enjoy the show, folks.